Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friends, once again, I'm present with another emergency update for all Holochain holders. Must watch holders, keep watch, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, the latest price update of the holo in the market, you can see here that the latest price is 0.007 USD dollar is the latest price of the holochain in the market. And as you can see, the BTC Bitcoin price of the holochain as 0.000020 US BTC price of the holochain, and the 24 hours volume, market cap, total supply, available supply, every update on the front of your eyes, my friends. But my friends, as you know that the price, the main issue of the price, my friends, the price is going down, and they don't try to move upward, my friends. Continuously fast down, continue, and a holochain day by day, hour by hour, and minute by minute, the price of the holochain is going down. So what's going on in this time in the holochain, my friends? You think about that? No one can think about that. That is holochain give us profit or loss in the future? No one can think about that, my friends. Believe me. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the holochain for more details. My friends, that is the last 1 month price chart, last 3 days price chart of the last 1 day, my friends. Last 1 day price chart, you can see here, my friends. From the previous last 1 day, continuously the price of the holochain is falls down continuously, my friends. It's joking, my friends, and the cryptocurrency is joking. What's going on in the holochain price is completely going down? So how they can give you profit, my friends? My friends, that's not mean that if the cryptocurrencies fast down, so they continuously fast down. No, my friends, they have a chance to change a life in a minute. Maybe after some passage of time, the price again pump and they will give you good amount of profit. So hold it, my friends, and don't decide to sell. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.